In a major boost to the sporting landscape of the TTAADC, the foundation stone for the Maharaja Kirit BikramCricket Academy was officially laid today at the council's headquarters. The ceremony, led by Royal Scion Bubagra Pradyot Bikram Manikya Debbarma, marks a pivotal shift toward professionalizing grassroots sports in the region. The foundation stone was unveiled in the presence of Purna Chandra Jamatia, Chief Executive Member of TTAADC, Manishankar Murasing, Brand Ambassador of TTAADC, and veteran Ranji Trophy player senior executive members and sport officials of the council. The academy will be situated in Khumulwng, conveniently located near the Khumulwng Academy Boys Hostel. This placement is intended to provide easy access for students athletes currently enrolled in the TTAADC educational institutions. Addressing the gathering, Bubagra delivered a powerful message about self-reliance and the recognition of home ground icons. He questioned the tendency to look toward external stars when the state already possesses elite talent. Why should we bring someone from Calcutta to teach our youth when we have our own vocal for local talent like Manishankar Murasing? He is an elite Ranji Trophy all-rounder and a true role model for our people, Bubagra remarked. While the focus is currently on cricket, Bubagra expressed his ambition to develop world-class facilities for all sports. The ultimate goal of the academy is to produce the next generation of sporting legends, with Bubagra aiming to make another Sunil Chhetri or Sachin Tendulkar from the soil of Tripura.
So marking a significant Bubagra, what will be the main role that is going to be supporting the youth of the Tripura? Opening today's this cricket academy, what will the main role and how this will help and prepare the youth for the upcoming events?
No, see, should I speak in English or Hindi?
Yes, in English.
In English? The most important thing is that I want talent there is enough talent in Tripura.
Yes.
We just need proper support and a support from a young age so that you can produce a world-class sports person. Whether it is football, whether it is cricket, athletics, tennis, swimming, MMA, whatever. We have the talent, we just need the platform and the infrastructure. And we also have role models like Manishankar Murasing. So, if we can, why are we giving, I respect Saurav Ganguly a lot, but why should Saurav Ganguly come from West Bengal and teach us how to play cricket when we have enough active Ranji playing cricketers here? So why don't we promote our own people and let them come up with a cricket academy. My father got me into cricket. Not many people know I played cricket as well. And I was an active cricketer. I was an active footballer. So in my heart, I am still a sports person. And I believe that sometimes sports can do more to unite the country, the people, than politics. I think politics divides people at certain times, but sports unites the whole country. So let's unite our people and let's put some emphasis on tourism, on sports, on service sector, on health and agriculture. So these are areas where we can, if we concentrate, we can definitely develop our state of Tripura.
Bubagra, since the academy is going to be established in Khumulwng in the center of the headquarters, so how will there are lots better players in across the state, like especially in hilly regions, in remote areas, how they are going to?
So we have a hostel here. There will be a selection process. This is only the best talent, they'll come, they'll have trials, they'll be selected based on their talent, and we will provide accommodation for them, we will provide schools for them, we'll provide food for them, and we'll also provide enough funds so that they can travel outside the state and even play competitive matches. So, see, practicing itself doesn't work. Sometimes we also need to play competitive matches. A minimum of 35 to 40 matches should be played across the year for people to hone the skills of football or cricket. So, this is what we plan to do. So, if there are any talented people, we will, and I'll also put up floodlights here. So, especially during summers when it's very warm, people can even practice at night. So, therefore, the whole ecosystem will build around it.
Bubagra, since the TTAADC has been suffering for the lack of funds because of the state government and there are this controversy going on.
So there's no controversy. I think everybody knows that Agartala gets more money than TTAADC, though TTAADC is 500 times bigger than Agartala.
We can see that earlier John Debbarma has also shown the report of the RTI regarding the funds mismanagement. So how is this ADC going to run the long-term academy in coming years? Or will there be a private sponsorship for this academy?
We will take private sponsors, but TTAADC also has a duty to promote sports. So I think we can raise some money on our own. I will also contribute from my personal side. I wanted, we have to promote and we have to give a better option to our youngsters. So not only cricket, I also want to do a football academy, and the stadium is coming up properly. And maybe in 5 or 8 years' time, we can produce a Sachin Tendulkar or a Virat Kohli, or we can produce a Sunil Chhetri. It will make all of us feel proud, na? So everything is not about voting and politics. It is also about the self-respect of a Tiprasa, and I want to do that.
Thank you so much.
Well, I know Hambai.
Brand Ambassador, State Cricket Iron Manisangar Mora Singh will play a central role in guiding the academy's trainees.
Tini Khumulwng TTAADC hapang by Songsaza. Kaisa agi rogo gure abo tini no eba taklai no puila hinimano Cricket Academy no Foundation Stone Khlaijanan thangi tangu tini ni shala. Inke singjoto no saimana hasna lukurok TTAADC ne brand ambassador angka Chini hastani Tripura hastani thangani kerang cricket thangani kerang Manisangar Morasi. Kesang oro bono man laikha bobai thaisa thani kok salai nai. Sarna lamsugo sini Khorang go.
Hambai.
Sarna singan musugo je oro jagawa TTAADC ne brand ambassador anggai na bahai ma bangkha.
Kaham no ang onek happy je ano amor mone honor khaiman bagi ADC ni taraf theke tai actually academy ami tongo tak agami sarai roni bagai ba abor roni bagai onek kaham to phaima kalo abujutro nugano de tamo infrastructure tamo development khaiman sa apnai
Sar ta kaisa sungmo tabo cricket academy khlaina ni thangui tongo ke oro jaga wole ni rule rok tamang nai no coach rengna yakha batham rok na
coach to actually coach to tongano baire no hoitu tongano ya local fund tongano juton tongano coach sangje ADC no je fund nai brok sangju to discuss angin tarpor ke sang abo discuss khai tarpor ke coach bumti khana nai biang 1 month ba 2 month rum bagi baire no hoitu coach tu nai bhai ke sang tebo develop khaiman chini sala no abo sang nai no tai bad baki ang to coach onglak tai jara coaching borok coaching course pass khai borok tanai ang to just nainen bagi ba ibon nai khai bagi ang tawano
sarno ta kaisa sangamo sugo jenni national ne thangmang tabon cricket thangui tongba bono tebe kisa hawai khana de je IPL rogo next rogo le bom ta hai no
IPL rongi to tabuk to taklai this year ni auction to pai thangka next year abo next year performance ti ni abo saimar news asmo bahike choli tong tai plus bahi ang performance khai tong national level abo ne poreke saimana je next year IPL angnai ngi abo next year ro saimar chali ta
aka hastani charai no latam ko kasana musung je borok thangmung hafaro faikugui tongma desa yakhaba thangmung hafaro borok hakchali de tongma sa hastani charai no tam kasana musung youth rok no
youth rong to agin chimna sai phai je nang je sports thangnai asang kaham ni physical fitness butongnai tai mental health bone kaham ngai plus tai তারপরে যদি ক্রিকেট অংথং ফুটবল অংথং যে কোনো স্পোর্টস থাকা ইনকে নিজেনি জেনারেশন প্লাস নিজেনি ফ্যামিলি তাই লোকরক যতন সাইমানে যে নং যে স্পোর্টস থাকি দङ প্লাস ইয়াং ফাইচিং নং যদি কাহাম থাকা ইনকে ন্যাশনাল লেভেল ইন্টারন্যাশনাল লেভেল লগ থাকা ইনকে নিনি অনেক বুং অঙ্গ ইনকে তারপরে সিনি সিন বরক তাবো যেসে থাকনাय আসন কাহামनाय सिन बागै बा आगामी जे सिगां फाइनाल बिसिं लगतिव काहामनाय तो आबनो आं youth rongno saitong je nrok je sports no amo khainai thangnai plus abo khainai ko expose khainai abno exposure khainai abno kahamongnai sini youth ni bagai
ambela ne sana hambai singbai karangman
thank you
kana rokhana win man khana sana khugo tamasaka buskango aguga ne bagai shawi bkhna raka charai rong tebe enkete or jagawo TTAADC hapon bakhakti songsa jagmane eba songsa jagna nabi tagmane cricket academy orowo bo tamo khlainai ek naikolnai khani shawi raka ke obtai khlaina next of same survey kok salainai ni roksayawi khanawi tang de nabi tang de Chini Khorang under logo superna hamba.
Likewise, Suhail Debbarma, Executive Member for Sports and Youth Affairs, TTAADC, provided details for this initiative.
Hastani lukurok tabuk derek khayue TTAADC hafang ni naikol mong bai koso kasawi tangga abo hastani lukurok joto na saimano. Ke tini angkha TTAADC bai naikol jak arawa Cricket Academy Foundation Stone de khlajana thangui tanggo. Ke abono tebi sat silaiwani bagai na tabuk sang Sar Bikram lainai Sar Swell Debbarma Bikram lainai Bongka Sports and Youth Affairs Department of TV tongnai nika boni naikol mongsara abo asosarate us english man lak in mahai gesang sarno pila ne lam shok lainai Chini Khorang sar belaina
hamai
sarno sangan musugu je cricket academy songsadani thamkuro bomte khlai giste brona hari jangsa sakhana lukurona saik
poilano Chini Bubagra na belai belekin hambai te khulombo Ebak Chini Bubagra wan sungum te bin Debbarma bisintei te Chini honorable CM Debbarma bisintei sing tini omake Chini cricket hamsatona Chini lokurong bagai kaisa sepman kha te chingoro Chini Bubagra chaitman bisintei sing Chini borong benang Manikya Murasing sing brand ambassador sing snamka te ching phine jorobo Chini je Maharaja Kirit Bikram Cricket Academy je foundation student je kaine thangai to bon bisintei जों गोबां मा Chini आमसायाव जों गोबां मा Chini तेबो मनिसंगर सामनानि अमाय Chini टारगेट ए फाइनल जेरावबो जों साइमन जे जत प्लेटफर्म जों केरियर सामि मानो जेमन साइन्स हामजाने साइन्स बैकग्राउंड सामबो आर्ट्स हामजाने आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड सामबो कॉमर्स हामजाने कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड सामि मानो म्यूजिक हामजाने म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड सामि मानो स्पोर्ट्स हामजाने स्पोर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड सामि मानो अमाय केनो Chini Bubagrani chaitman bisintei sing TTAADC hapangni bisintei sing sports bisintei bo Chini sikla chalairno career sanan bagai sing borno sakka hamtonan bagai drugs bai chal tonan bai kaham kai chung initiative nawi gobang ma tini omake Chini TTAADC haba initiative mai tongo not only cricket football ungthong gobang ma je thungmuni je Chini je Tripura sarangni bagai chung besngo snami tongo abo truk snamjai tongo फाइने जरबो जों थांजा तंमन बिसिंतै Chini Bubagra चाइतमन बिसिंतै जों Chini Bubagra लगे जों कराखै तंगखाय जों फाइने जर जों तेबो खालायमानाय नरु नुगै माखना थानाय 2021 आव Chini Tripura मता TTAADC हाबं फाइमानि आगलो जों Tripura फुटबल लीग जों प्रो Chini Bubagra चाइतमन बिसिंतै जों Chini भारत हाकतनि फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट फुटबलनि बरमन बाइचुं बुदिना तोय बनरक खालायमानो खना इवन म्यूजिक हाबरबो जों म्यूजिक प्रमोट खालायमानो खना अमागेना जों लिमिटेड फानि बिसिङाव फानो Chini Bubagra belaikina saktari chaitugui tongo je Chini honorable CM Tuidili tongo amakina chung entire Chini je TTAADC je team je EMs MDCs joto borong manang thanja tamon bisindina chung Chini amakai khlaina jora mani to
sarno sangan musugo age ni jora rogo inke abta hai sports ma as important roza ya haklai chung lugui tongo fia TTAADC hafango Tripura phaimane ya goloke sang nugui mankha inga abone fair mong bomte ya kabana shabano dushi derana musu pa naikol ya de ngne kalai ka age ni je hafang naikol na rok TTAADC no ya kaba tabu ni je exchange change nugmane rok lukrok shiboi na tango ke bono na tama saw musu
ang blame to khaglak because naidi ching blame khaimai bai ching solution ya thane jero sab khlai tong abo chung sia but abogo chung khlai tong Chini Bubagra agini slai mane double boni kujgo kai ba sam khlai tong abolangsiu tangke Bubagra high leader jing strong leader jing mankha je leader ni kabama knowledge tongo Kabang ma bini idea tong obon bising tei jeng tine khaine jara maka o jara wacheng limited fund tong man bising ko pano chini Bubagra belakin chai tu gitu even ching sports school bo andar Tripura ni je chini TTAADC history cheri ne khandar lukna agin jaro ching badarga rok smi ching sports school hin knau yaba chini Bubagra chai tong man bising tei chini honorable same tei din man bising tei jeng chini TTAADC hapango ching tinta sports school man kaisinga chini kilawo kaisinga chini jompu jolawo kaisinga chini Khorang chana kata. Ye financial chung te bumanai. Te proposal chung rokhajak tongo. Even chin te project tongo. Indoor stadium thung, swimming pool thung. Kabang ma je chin sports ni nangai tongmani. Obo chung klainan bagi chung chai tu tongo. Even project submit khaje tongo. Even though chung state no chung support mai angli phano. Chin Bubagra black and chai tu tongo chini sports department ni bisite chini sikla chala career samne boli.
Sate kaisa sungmo abo je cricket academy namtana thangge tongo abo ke boya rogo paino yakaba bishi busung nangno
election pai khang no obani process eba samungni process choli thangnai aun bage jing kisa khalogi jing thanje krakma tongnai tangkai kogono tongo jing palingge jing sal logi man amage jing thanje tongge jing bebang possible khlainani kan bai jing Bubagra logi tongdi thanje tongdi krak tongdi jing salja je khlaime samungno jing khlaimanai abo jing thani poite tongo jing Bubagra thani wo suar tongo
sar hambai khanawi man khana sar ne khugo botoma shawi khana reka anke sar ter nailai nai tini ni shalo bobta hai khlagi pandarak choli nai Bubagra bo phainai ke Bubagra no busung nailai nai aboni bagai nani rosoya khlawi sini Khorang bai karangai tongri dal bidal borok okra rog ko nograi rok ok samani bo sini Khorang bising tin rok no phono goi tongnai sangdirok ni logi bo tongnai belai hambai sangbai karangai tongmani bagai hastani lukurokno eba hastani lukuroni serai rokno tinanggo te bukusugo garwani bagai TTAADC hafang dalbidal yapri na haroi tongo aboni no kaisa TTAADC hafang bai naikol jak tini cricket academy ni foundation stone de khlaijak nani thangai tongo abo ini Khumulwng ko phaibi sok khaijak obono tebi ne thaisa thani kok salainai sini TTAADC ni CM Purnachandra Jamatia sarno puila na lam soklainai sini Khorang ko
Khuloma joto nai tonai rono joto no khuloma ya par
sarno sangamo sugo age ni je age rogo ke cricket rono yakaba thangmu rono asu kujugoti sajagya ya tabu ke belai na nangkukmani khlai na kujugoti sawan bagai try khaijagoi tongo sai tok jagai tongo aboni main na haron tama
belai kha hambai puilawa जों दिनै चिकनते पान्दानि बिसिंते हलं थाइकाय मेनि पान्दा महाराजा किरिट बिक्रम क्रिकेट एकाडेमी स्टार्टिंग खायनायनि बागै जों दिनै अर जागा चेलायखा महाराजनि यागदै खलक जानाय हलं थाइकाय जेनाय दिनै नाहर मुङमनो जे सिनि जुबक रक गोबां मा टेलेन्टेड दङो स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टराव मिउजिक थों माहायरगो गोबां माने टेलेन्टेड दङ फियाबा बरनो अपॉर्चुनिटी रनानि मतो सेव करै बरनो प्लेटफॉर्म रनानि मतो सेव नारक जाया गे महाराजा वान छकमानि अमनो चिनि जुबक रनो जों सुजुग रनानि अपॉर्चुनिटी रनानि तानि के जों जतन साइमानो चिनि तिप्रासारक माइनॉरिटी ताबक मुइ थांखा स्पोर्ट नि बिसिते जों माइनॉरिटी फानो इंडिविजुअली बा ग्रुप उङै जों गोसकांगो कानानि अपॉर्चुनिटी दङ गे खेला दुलानि बिसितेनो जों कावानि तेबो सुजुग दङ हानि बाङैनो आइगि रगो चिनि जुबक रगनो क्रिकेट ओंथों फुटबल ओंथों दै विभिन्न इवेंट रगो स्पोर्ट आसुग नजर रजाया हानि बाङै चिनि चिराय रग गोबां मा गोरों दंफानो गोसारमा जारोनो करायै थांमा पाइबे गे बरनो जों ताबाव चिनि अरनि सिमि सेंगै बरनो नेशनल इंटरनेशनल लेवल जों बरनो सुजुग रनानि कासाय थांनानि अमो जों याप्रि सेखा फाइनान्शियल चिनि जुबक अर कोचिंग नि बिसिंति कैम्प नि बिसिंति तंगै क्रिकेट सोलोंमानाय क्रिकेट सोलोंयै बरनि केरियार न बोसना मानाय तै चिनि दफानबो बुकुं जुग्रयै मानाय नेशनली इंटरनेशनली जागारगो गे बनो चिनि महाराजानि नाहरमो जे चिनि जुबक रक फाइदि जों प्लेटफॉर्म रनानि बागै ताबक सेंयै दङो जतनो सोलोंयै चिनि केरियार न सोनावै चिनि तिप्रासानि मोखांनो सोंरनानि बागै याप्रि सेलायनाय
kaisa question TTAADC ni brand ambassador tabo cricket thangkrang nation shiwa enke or jagawa cricket academy boni samang bahai no
no khachini star cricketer
nationally bono asu important ojaya state of asu important ojaya je roni nangman chini nahar mongman je ambassador ni bisitoi jeng tabok boni guidance by boni nahar mongbai boni wan somong bai chini juborok sujog mathang plus bobo haino chini juborok no tama khai bahai khai buskango kusuk karomanai bo to thung line up sijak bahai buskango kusuk kanai ge boni samung omonu TTAADC bai miliwi je jaga je bo individual khaini musuk marono khaime no chini ADC ni support by ADC ni finance by chini juborok no bahai kusuk karonai bo thungno line up khainai hachi ge boni samung je chini juborok no sung opportunity roni musuk phane chini bo asuk o philo simani koroi ge bo expert cricket ni omawo bahai kusuk karonai bahai line up khaironai sababai kornoi telangnai bo hairo bo thung siwu technically matter of thung siwu hani bangai bo chini TTAADC bai miliwi bo chini jubogrok no bahai kusugo karoi telangwi chini mo khangsing romana omo bo sakthana.
The initiative is seen as a cornerstone of the Council's mission to keep the youth away from drugs by channeling their energy into competitive and professional sports. Reported by Nelson, Suparna and Pravir from Khumulwng, Chini, Khorang.